Do you feel like your local business isn't getting as many leads or customers as it should? Perhaps your local community and even your competitors are growing while your business seems to be standing still. I'm Andre Palco, and in this video, I'll show you how some simple tweaks to your local online marketing can get you more customers and make it easier for prospects to find you faster. Allow me to explain. Your local business naturally wants to attract customers within a certain radius from your shop or store, and your online presence has a major influence on whether or not you'll be found. That is, can your clients easily and quickly find your website, your social media pages, your online store, and your blog? The good news is that local search engine optimization, or SEO for short, is easier to accomplish than a national or international effort on SEO. And video is one of the fastest ways to increase your local presence. It's been proven in various studies that videos often get ranked within hours or days versus text-based SEO, which can take several weeks or even several months. Video also has a positive return on investment. 68% of YouTube users watch videos to help with purchase decisions. 50% of consumers seek out video about a product before purchasing. Product videos can actually increase purchases by up to 144%, and video can increase your organic traffic up to 157%. Another thing about video is that customers also like to know what they can expect when they visit you. Videos help them visualize that experience. Videos establish trust and make it more comfortable for them to venture into the unknown. And in this case, the unknown is your store or your shop. All of this, of course, makes video an obvious choice for a local company. So, how exactly do local businesses use video? There are many ways. I'll list a few quick ones here. You can feature your products and services. You can do product demos. You can introduce your staff. This humanizes your business and makes it feel a lot more personal. You can spotlight good customers. You can display customer testimonials. You can show the neighborhood in which you're located. You can do FAQ videos to answer common questions from clients. If your business does events, you can do videos on those events. And you don't even need videos of the event. All you need is photos of the event, and you can do a short videos with local Video Express. You can also show your company behind the scenes. People love to witness the inner workings of nearly every kind of business. For example, who wouldn't want to see a restaurant kitchen in action on a busy night? A lot of people love manufacturing machinery in operation. If you're a band or other kind of performance artist, you can show clips from your performances. Whatever happens behind the scenes, people love it, and the list is long. But producing a video from scratch is complicated and it takes time. Until recently, you'd need skilled help or you'd have to outsource the work, and costs like that can add up pretty quickly. With Local Video Express, anyone on your staff can create a wide range of great-looking videos. We do this by using pre-made templates and a simple online video editor, and in reality, it's as easy to use as posting to social media, and I'm going to show you that in a second. Local Video Express is fully cloud-based, so there's no worries about installation or updates on your particular device. And again, no video tech skills are needed. It's basically like surfing online or posting to social media. In fact, with Local Video Express, all you need is photos to create a video, as I mentioned before. And if you don't have photos, you can select from millions of stock photos on Pixabay or Unsplash to fit your video. We actually have an integration that allows you to do that from right within the app, and I'm going to show you that as well in a few seconds. Also, unlike most other video platforms, there are no limits to how many videos you can create with Local Video Express. We currently have over 20 templates, any of which can be edited to include your photos or your custom text. You can create your own series of templates. All videos also export in a high resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels or 1080 by 1080 square depending on the template. And either of those can be used on your website, blog, or any of the social media platforms. Now, who's using local videos? Pretty much anyone. You've got influential bloggers and video bloggers, video marketing agencies, and social media advertisers. But more importantly, nearly any kind of local business owner can use a local video. And we've got restaurants, real estate agencies, dentists, retail stores, accountants, lawyers, photographers, salons, gyms, roofers, plumbers, contractors, and more. They're all using a mix of videos to generate leads, to promote products, and to increase social media engagement and to increase revenues ultimately. Now, is Local Video Express for everyone? Well, if you're an advanced do-it-yourself video creator, you might have high-end software like Adobe Premiere to work with, and you may not necessarily need an additional app. But if you're struggling to scale your video production for yourself or for clients, Local Video Express can help you deliver a much higher volume and in less time than it takes with Premiere or other similar apps. And Local Video Express can be a valuable extra tool to help you get ahead. You can simply use one of your assistants or hire virtual assistants and let them carry out the simple overload work. So yes, it's something to consider for nearly everyone who's either producing video already or for the novice who wants to start producing engaging video for their business. So let's take a look at how Local Video Express works. Once you log into your home page, as you see it here, simply select from one of the pre-made templates. Although we've given names to each template such as hair salon, car dealer, gym, and so on, each template can be used for any business. For example, the painter template could be easily used by a restaurant or any other kind of business by changing the photos and text. We simply preloaded them with the images and gave them a name relevant to a variety of local niches to show you how they can be used and to give you a head start if you happen to be in that niche. So let's go ahead and select the painter niche. In the pop-up window, you'll see the video duration, which is 15 seconds, and number of scenes, which is 5. So let's click Create Video, and we're going to give it a new name. Let's call it Test Video. You can see at the bottom of the screen here, the scenes are laid out in a simple timeline editor. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenes, and each scene will have a mix of images and text. You can click on each scene to see what you need. For example, that's scene 1. Scene 2 has 1 image, 1 line of text. Scene 3 is the same. Scene 4, 1 image, 1 line of text. Scene 5, 3 lines of text and your logo. So what you'll do is you'll edit the text in each scene, you'll add your logo, graphic, or images where indicated. And what we can do also is when you're selecting an image, you can either browse your computer and select from your own library of images, or over time you'll start to create a library on Local Video Express, but you can use Pixabay and Unsplash, and you can actually search through here. So let's say you need some arty kind of pictures. So we could do a search for art, and you can scroll through all the Pixabay things. You could just select something. If you want to, you can crop it here, but we're going to go ahead and select that and insert it. And editing is really easy. You can pretty much insert any kind of copy that you need here. And you proceed from one scene to the next. And once you get all your scenes uploaded, you can select colors. They come with some preloaded templates. You can it'll give you an idea up here of what it's going to look like. So for instance, we could select this green template, or if you like, you can add your own custom colors. So that's a great way to keep all your videos branded. Once you're done with the colors, you can select the music. It comes with one here included, or you can select no music for a silent video if you want to add your own music track later on. And it comes preloaded with a pretty extensive library of music tracks, so you can just select any of them. I'm just going to select no music for this one. And next, once you've done all that work, you simply hit start rendering, and it takes a little while for the videos to render. Usually within 20 or 30 minutes it's done. Busier times it might take a little bit longer. Once you create a video, it's going to be saved to your projects tab over here, and while it's rendering you can work on new projects so you stay productive. And when it's finished rendering, you can download it from there. You can go back to edit it anytime. You can see we've got a couple of other projects here. There's one test I did here. If I wanted to go back and edit it, I just simply click that to go back and I can re-edit it. And we're not going to do that right now, but you can always return to your projects. If I wanted to download this, I would just click on it, hit the download button, and it downloads it right to my computer. So right now, the test video we just did, it's queued for rendering. It'll render probably starting in a few minutes, and probably within 5 or 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, it'll be ready for download. The nice thing about this is you can essentially create as many of your own custom templates as you like. For instance, if you want to do a video using the same images while editing only the text, you can do that. Or vice versa. If you want to use the same text over a series of videos, you can change the images. As you can see, it's a really simple but very powerful entry-level platform for video production. And as you can also see, no special video skills are required. You can use Local Video Express to boost your online presence and ultimately your revenues with a stream of regular, short, and simple videos. To get started, click the order button on this page, or if you have any questions, just use the contact us form on our website to let me know. Thanks for watching.